saying?
Only a word or two.
She must be a princess or something.
His Highness sure seemed to go for her.
Well, there's just no accounting for taste. Why would a fellow want a girl like her, a thrill and floppy beauty? Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a solid girl like me?
She's a funny little bubble with a pretty kind of charm. And a very little trouble. I can break her little heart.
Ah! Oh, why would a fellow want a girl like her, so obviously unusual? Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a usual girl like me? Her cheeks are a pretty shade of pink,
But not in pink or little roses.
her skin may be delicate and soft,
But not any softer than a ghost's.
her neck is no wider than a swan.
She's only as dainty as a daisy.
She's only as gentle as a bird. So why is the fellow going crazy? Well, why would a fellow want a girl like her, a girl who's merely lovely? Why can the fellow ever once prefer a girl who's merely lovely?
She's a funny little bubble with a really sort of hair.
And a very little trouble. I can pull out her hair. Oh, why would a fellow want a girl like her, a girl who's merely lovely? Why can the fellow ever once prefer a girl who's merely me? What's the matter with the man?